Hello everyone, I'm Muslim Wardak and I'm once again here to teach you fourth lesson of series of German grammar lessons level A1. In this lesson, we will be learning about the connecting words in a sentence at the level of A1. We have different connecting words that connects two sentences in but at different levels they are different, but at the level of A1 the connecting words which are present we will be learning in this lesson. So first you're coming to the title. In title it is written Wörter. Verbinden. Wörter means words. It is plural form. It means words. Verbinden, connecting. Verbinden means connecting. Sätze. Sätze means sentences. It is plural form and is written like that. But the single form and singular form we write like that. So it is Satz. When we are using its plural form, it will be written in such form. Now we are coming to the first uh, grammatical point, which has which can be used as a connecting word. That is pronomen. Pronomen mean pronoun. So pronouns. We have pronouns like he, she, it, you, we, they. So in German, so we are coming to the examples. The examples are there. For example, the first example is Das ist Jabbar Khan. So Jabbar Khan is a male. For male, we are coming here. Jabbar Khan is male. For male, the pronoun is he. And in English, pronoun is he. In German, we say for he, er. For female, it is she. In German, we say sie. For something neutral, we say in English we say it. In German we say es. So here it is pronoun for Jabbar Khan. So das ist Jabbar Khan. Ist Apotheker. Das ist Jabbar Khan. Da. So it means it is Jabbar Khan and he is Apotheker. It means here uh, an extra information is given about Jabbar Khan with help of his pronoun. And the next one is Das ist Paulina. It means uh, this is Mrs. Lena. So sie, it is not with, okay, we write like that. Sie ist Deutschlehrerin. It means she is a German teacher. Deutschlehrerin, when at the end of a noun comes like in, then it is said in German to be female. Like if we say Deutschlehrer, it means a male teacher, a male German teacher. If we say Deutschlehrerin, then it means a female German teacher. So these are the pronouns. In such a manner, we can connect two sentences by help of a pronoun. Now coming to the next one we have is article. Article, by help of article, we can connect two sentences. Like here, they are connected, and first of all, we have to know that in English we have article like a and an, like a and an. But in German, we have two types of article. One is when we have bestimmte Artikel, bestimmte Artikel und unbestimmte Artikel. unbestimmte Artikel. Bestimmte Artikel, in German we have bestimmt and unbestimmte Artikel. Bestimmte Artikel means uh, determined articles and undetermined articles. Determined articles like we have here, like das, like das, der, and die. Das we use for something neutral. Der we use for male, and die we use for female. So because of that, they are said your bestimmte Artikel. The next one we have unbestimmte Artikel. Unbestimmte Artikel like a and an in English. And for that we use when we say ein, eine und okay, eine. It means one, like that. When we use in English, we say an apple. It means one apple. In German, we say ein Apfel. So, in such a manner, they are described in German. So, we are coming to the first example. Wo ist mein Deutschbuch? Where is my German book? Here we say, das ist im Koffer. Das ist, it means Deutschbuch for book we use das. The article for book is das, it means German book. Where is my German book? Here we say in answer, das ist im Koffer. Das ist im Koffer. Das ist in, it is in briefcase. So the next one is, kennst du Frau Scheller? Do you know Mrs. Scheller? I say, ja, die kenne ich. Ja, die, it here. Do you see the connecting word? How we have connected a sentence? Ja, die kenne ich. Ja, for die, we say that for female we use die. For ja, die kenne ich, it means ja, yes, I know her. Yes, I know her. Die ist Ärztin. It means she is a doctor. So here we have, you see one D and the next one D, and the next article, with the help of this we connected sentences. Now we are coming to the next one, the next connecting words. These are dort und da. Dort we use for some place, and the next one is da. So we are coming to examples. For example, we say, warst du schon mal in Hamburg? It means, have you been to Hamburg? Dort spricht man Russisch und Deutsch. Russisch und Deutsch. It means, have you been to Hamburg, where people speak? Here, spricht man is used. It means where person speak German and Russian language. So it means, have you been to this place? Have you been to a place, or we mean here Hamburg, where people speak English, German and Russian language. It means a place where people speak Russian and German language. So by help of verb, we connected it. The next one is, gehen wir am Montag ins Kino? We are asking someone that going where, are we going are we going on Monday? On Montag means on Monday to cinema. Here they say, a next person in French say, tut mir leid. It means I'm sorry. Da kann ich nicht. It means there I can't go. Da kann ich nicht. There it means to cinema. I can't go. The next one is, warst du schon mal in Japan? It means, have you been to Japan? In answer, nein, da war ich noch nicht. It means, no, I have I haven't been to Japan. So by help of da and dort, we can also connect two sentences. The next one is das. So by help of das, we can also uh, it is not that das like here like article we used, not like this one. It das here means it. Here it means it, but now we are explaining in examples. Then you will know better that what here it means. So we say Cola, Wasser, Cappuccino. Das macht, for example, you're going to a shop and um, uh, you're buying three things. For example, Coca-Cola, water, and a type of coffee called cappuccino. So you are buying these three things. We are writing always noun with capital letter. If it is in everywhere, it is used. So you bought these three things, and you say and you're taking it to the counter, to the cashier counter, and the cashier say that Cola, Wasser and Cappuccino. Das macht 8,90 Euro. The cashier is telling you that uh, these are three things like Coca-Cola, water and cappuccino. It costs and it means this all costs and this all the cost of this all is €8.90. So here it it means in total it make it €8.90. The next one is 20. Okay, here it is explained that how we say, like in English, we say 90 euro and 30 cents, 8 euro and 90 cents. How do we say it in German? In German, we say, for example, if we say 20 euros and 30 cents, we say 20 Euro und 30. We do not use cents with it. We say 20 Euro when something is a complete, for example, 20 euro is a complete number, and 30 are cents. So we say with complete number we say euro, we mention euro, and cents we mention just the number. For example, 20 Euro, 20 Euro und 30. For euro we say in German Euro, 20 Euro und 30. It means 20 euro and 30 cents. The next one is 100 Euro und 4. It means 100 euro and 4 cents. Kommst du am Freitag? We are asking a friend that, are you coming on Friday? And he say Freitag. He say on Friday. We say ja, das geht. And when he say ja, das geht, ja, it means yes, it is possible. So these were the connecting words in German at the level of A1. I hope that you have learned it, and you have understood it. So for more lessons and more videos, be with us, follow us, and subscribe our channel in YouTube.